Hello! In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing the vLite load cell model 0042. Let's begin. This is the vLite load cell, and these are the threaded blocks we use for installation. The lower plate simulates the part of the system where the load cell assembly will be mounted. Ensure the chamfer of the block is facing the upper part of the load cell. This also applies to the lower part. Carefully insert the inner block into the load cell casing. Position the threaded blocks, base plate, and top plate, and align the holes. Using an M6 Allen key, lightly screw in the bolts without tightening fully. This ensures the plates align properly. Once everything is aligned, tighten the bolts with the Allen key until fully locked. That's it! The installation of the vLite load cell model 0042 is now complete. Always ensure proper alignment and correct chamfer orientation to guarantee accurate performance. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.